The field is the outer portion of your power tool's motor. It works with the armature to create an electromagnetic field, which causes the armature to spin. Most problems with the field are caused by overloading the tool. When the tool is overloaded, the field windings can be burnt. Common symptoms of a bad field are loss of power and excessive sparks from the armature. There will often be smoke coming from the motor or a burning smell. A bad field can also cause the armature to quickly fail, so you'll want to inspect it closely as well. Replacing the field is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush cover. Now remove the brushes from the brush holders. Now remove the cord holder. Now remove the top carry handle. I'll remove the auxiliary light switch. And the top cover from the handle. With the cover removed, I'll have enough length in the cord to remove the motor housing. Now remove the baffle and the wires that connect to the field. I'll note the location of each wire for reinstallation later. With the wires removed, I'll remove the cord clamp from the side of the motor housing and pull the wires away from the field. Next, I'll remove the screws that secure the field to the housing. With the screws removed, now I can remove the field. To do that, I'll tap the housing against the table. Now I can install the new field. You'll notice that the plastic housing on one side of the field is black and it's white on the other side. As I install it, I want the white plastic pointing up towards me. Also, as I install it, I'll make sure that I align the holes for the screws with the sides of the housing. Once it's pressed firmly into the housing, I'll re-secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the wires into the field housing. Put the wires back into the housing, I can reconnect them to the field. I'll use my notes that I took previously to make sure I get the wires in the right locations. First, I'll install the yellow wire, then the black, next the white wire, and last the red. Now I'll reinstall the baffle, and now the motor housing assembly is ready to go back over the armature. And I'll secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the handle cover. First, I'll tuck all the wires out of the way. I'll reinstall the auxiliary switch next. And the top handle. Now I'll reinstall the cord holder. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes and the brush cap. And now you know how to install a new field in your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.